Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a true legend reborn, the 2026 Yamaha RX100. A name that once defined speed, thrill, and raw motorcycling spirit in the 80s and 90s, the RX100 is making a comeback with a modern twist while keeping its nostalgic charm alive. Let's dive into what makes this new RX100 so special and why it's one of the most anticipated bikes of the decade. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha RX100 blends retro styling with modern touches. The classic round headlamp, flat seat, and minimalistic body panels pay tribute to the original, while LED lighting and digital instrumentation bring it up to today's standards. The muscular fuel tank proudly carries the RX100 badge, instantly evoking nostalgia. With new color schemes and refined finishes, the bike manages to strike the perfect balance between heritage and modern appeal. Performance and powertrain. Powering the new RX100 is a refined single-cylinder engine expected to be in the 125 to 150 cubic centimeters range, tuned to deliver a spirited ride while meeting strict emission norms. Yamaha has worked to retain the bike's iconic punchy acceleration and lightweight feel, making it ideal for both city commutes and spirited weekend rides. Smooth gear shifts, agile handling, and improved suspension ensure that the RX100 continues to deliver the fun-to-ride experience it was always known for. Safety and technology. While the original RX100 was raw and simple, the 2026 version embraces essential modern tech. It comes equipped with single-channel ABS for safety, a digital analog instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity, and efficient LED lighting. Yamaha has kept rider engagement at the core, offering technology that enhances convenience without diluting the RX100's pure motorcycling essence. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha RX100 isn't just a motorcycle, it's the return of an icon that defined an era. With its nostalgic design, spirited performance, and modern updates, it promises to win the hearts of both old-school enthusiasts and a new generation of riders. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates on legendary machines making a comeback.